wicked.
It's a beautiful day on a rainy Monday morning, so I'm back for a new episode. And guys, what's up? New activity for now. So this one, what is this? Set up over here. So later on, guys, you're gonna know what we're going to do. But I'm giving you a hint what are we going to do right now. So today is, as you can see, it's a little bit raining, so basa ang mga kahoy. So we have to make a remedy para yun ay matuyo at magawa natin. Kasi usually guys, kapag basa yung kahoy, mahirapang siyang gawin kasi hindi mo siya maliliha, hindi mo siya mapufurnish na mabuti. So let's check this out, guys. This is a DIY idea for those of you who are furniture maker like me or beginners. Well, I'll teach you how to make those cows. We'll be back for more. Go guys, and we're back on a hey, wag kang maingay dyan. Nagla-vlog ako, ingay na naman nung namamasada rin. So let's go back to our main activity for now. So there you go guys, this is my plan still for this wood drying. So this is an artificial one instead of using the sunlight, umuulan. So as you can see guys, there you go, makulimlim ang panahon, madilim. So for now, we're doing this remedy. So sinisigaan natin yung kahoy para matuyo. So let's take a look yung mga natapos na guys. There we go. Sinalang natin yan guys. Yan, as you can see, medyo parang may mga nangitim dyan guys. Pero okay lang yan kasi kapag halimbawa nilihan mo lang yan, sinander mo is maalis naman yan. So this is the only way na ginagawa natin tuwing rainy seasons kung hindi tayo makapagpa-dry ng kahoy through sunlight. This is the DIY remedy. Or actually, I've been doing this for a couple of years sa ating umuulan, especially mga December seasons. Yan, nagsisiga tayo ng kahoy para matuyo siya. So nakakatulong naman siya, guys. So there you go. Ito na lang yung mga last batch na ating sinisiga o pinapatuyo. Let's see, guys. Ito mga hilaw na yan kanina, basang basa, pero nung na focus siya sa dito sa may burning firewood, nagkaroon na siya ng changes sa development. So pwede na yung lihain. Maya guys, papakita natin yung sistema niya between using sanding paper or sanding, pinapakinis natin yung kahoy with nasiga compared dun sa hindi. So I'll be back no more, guys. This is my plans for EMWAN TV. So you can do this one if you're a beginner regarding with this woodwork. So this is a simple remedy para maging tuloy-tuloy ang trabaho kung wala kayong parang homemade pugon. That's another story. So my plans is back no more. Have a good day. Hi guys, it's a beautiful day. So once again I'm back. So my Francis, so there you go, guys. Yung nilagyan natin ng o kaya pinatuyo natin na kahoy. There you go. Yan na yung outcome niya, guys. Naging upuan na siya. Actually guys, kung halimbawa hintay natin yung sunlight, siguro mag-extend pa siya ng mga more than 3 days. Pero since nag-remedy tayo, kaya yan na naging outcome. So ito yung hindi pa nabalisan, pero yan na yan, mga ready to deliver. So see you soon, guys, sa my next vlog. Mike Francis for EMWAN TV. Have a good day.